Introducing the Jazzy Zero Turn Scooter. The Jazzy Zero Turn Scooter brings existing innovations to the travel lineup by combining the turning radius of a 3-wheel scooter with the stability of a 4-wheel scooter. When the Jazzy Zero Turn Scooter arrives, all the components of the scooter will be contained inside of one box. There will be a total of 10 pieces, including the seat with arms and underseat storage, seat post, charger, owner's packet in one set of the standard 6 colors, battery box containing 22 amp-hour batteries, the front basket. The rear half and the footboard shroud will already be assembled. When assembling, place the seat post in the frame, setting it at the desired height with the large detent pin provided. Next, set the battery box in place, followed by the colored shrouds. Place the seat on the post and set the desired width of the arms using the smaller detent pins provided. Then tighten the thumb knobs. Take the key from the owner's packet and place it in the key switch and turn on the scooter to test and make sure the scooter works properly. The Jazzy Zero Turn Scooter has a 300-pound weight capacity, comes standard with one of 6 easily interchangeable shroud colors, a standard Delta wrap tiller which allows the user to one-handedly drive the scooter forward and reverse. It has an LED pathway light and LED undershroud lighting in the front and rear of the scooter, dual charging ports with one on the tiller and the other on the battery box, a standard USB charging port for charging portable devices such as a cell phone or tablet. Another standard feature is the underseat storage, which allows for out-of-sight storage of the user's personal belongings. The Jazzy Zero Turn Scooter features dual motors for added traction and CTS suspension for a more comfortable ride. Pride's patented one-handed disassembly, allowing the scooter to disassemble into 5 portable pieces. What really sets the Jazzy Zero Turn apart from the competition is the iTurn technology. How iTurn works is as you turn the scooter will slow down and the inside wheel will start to turn in reverse. This allows for the scooter to achieve its tight turning radius, giving the user the ability to navigate small spaces with ease. With all of these standard features plus the iTurn technology, the Jazzy Zero Turn Scooter is sure to be what consumers are going to ask for. Thank you for choosing Pride Mobility for all your mobility needs.